First of all, Mr. Muni is trying to mislead our viewers today by saying investigations have not been conducted. The cases have been handed over to CBI. There have been action taken. Charge sheets have been filed. Then NTA director has been removed. So it's not like action has not been taken. Another thing is that, and I'm going to say this without any kind of a political affiliation, ऐसा कहा जाता है कि चोर हमेशा पुलिस के एक कदम आगे भाग रहा होता है. So at this point of time, the government has decided to step up in a complete manner. And I'm sorry, Mr. Muni, there is no misusing of our defense forces and personnel. The fact is that every single power at the hands of the government is going to be used to make sure our children's future is secured. And I think you should be applauding the step the government is taking instead of finding reasons to criticize it further. Because the fact here is, it shows utmost seriousness. It shows that there is nothing above this. The priority is absolute and we are going to act accordingly. And then, like I said, this is not an isolated case. You know, it might be happening for the first time in India, but the world over, when examinations are of this level of importance, governments step in, authorities step in, cities, countries come to a standstill.
Where is the Air Force used, Charu Pragya? Which country is the Air Force used for transferring exam papers?
No. Listen, I'm not comparing the Air Force as being used. I'm comparing the level at which.
But that itself speaks volumes, doesn't it? Of course, I mean, I agree with you. Countries do take severe measures, but this level of the armed forces being involved in transporting exam papers, does the opposition have a point when they say that things have become so dire that we can't trust anybody but our armed forces with the exam papers?
But tell me, if the opposition lives in such trust deficit, they in fact have even questioned our armed forces. So let's not go there. But the fact is they live in extreme trust deficit. Are they going to question even the armed forces now? Is that what they are saying? Because see, when at every level investigations
let's be fair. That's not what they are saying.
Have been put in place.
The point is the conduct of the exams. All right. Akashdeep Muni, are you questioning the armed forces and the capabilities?
Also the government would have taken.
Let him answer that. You asked the question. Let him answer that.
Madhavji, two things I want to put it. You know, I again say that on 2024 paper leak scam, the trial has not started. If the trial has started, Charu Pragya should say that I am wrong, or that is, she should acknowledge the trial has not started. In 2026...
Okay, let's settle it one by one. Charu Pragya, has the trial started? He says the trial has not started.
Hasn't the charge sheet been
one by one, please. Yes, Charu Pragya.
The charge sheets have been filed. There is a process. It happened last year, right, Akashdeep? Tell me what is the cycle of a legal case in this country. Can you tell me that? It's not like the CBI has not done its job. It's not like heads have not rolled. It's not like charge sheet has not been filed. The trial being started is not up to the government, Akashdeep. I thought you were an educated person. It was up to authorities to file the charge sheets. The trial will start when it starts, but the paperwork is there, right? Which was the work of the government. Please. And I find this deplorable that even at a situation like this, you would rather mislead the public.
2026, charge sheet not filed till now. Am I wrong or am I right? 2026 paper leak scam, charge sheet not filed by CBI till now. 2000, it's not filed. Am I wrong or am I right?
When did it happen? No, when did it happen? No, 2004 has been filed. 2026, when did the leak happen? Can you give me the date, Akashdeep? Can you give me the date? Do you know how many days are given for a charge sheet to be filed?
No, Akashdeep Muni, one by one. One thing is to question the 2024 process. 2026, yes, they do have their 60 days or 90 days of time to file the charge sheet. But the larger question that Charu Pragya I want to come back to is this, that even the Supreme Court is asking, why have the reforms suggested by the Radhakrishnan Committee, how have they failed? Because many of those reforms do not appear to have been implemented as well. There is, for instance, a hybrid model which they have suggested, where you can actually print out the question papers which are transferred by email at various examination centers to prevent leakage in transportation. But all those recommendations do not seem to have been implemented.
Madhav, I believe the government is examining every single recommendation and bringing into effect all of those which are going to make sure the exams are conducted in a more transparent manner, and that has been continuing. See, let's not cast aspersions where none need to be cast. Another thing is, and I want to say this seriously, Akash Deep, you cannot behave like a vulture at a time like this by spreading misinformation, by thinking that everything can be accelerated and entire laws can be changed. For the last paper leak, when you raised the question, I told you charge sheets have been filed, so you again changed the goalpost to come on to this year. This year, how many days have passed? How many days have passed? And please, when it comes to the future of our children, do not play politics over it. If you can constructively be a part of a conversation, you're most welcome to.
Let's leave it there. We are completely out of time. Charu Pragya, Air Vice Marshal PK Srivastav, Dr. Akashdeep Muni and Pooja Mishra, I'd like to thank all of you for joining us. But certainly, of course, the future of students, when it comes to that, irrespective of political parties, irrespective of state, region, etc., the point is that this impacts all Indians universally. And therefore, a resolution has to be brought in, whether it is NEET, whether it is the CBSE examinations, and issues of students do have to be resolved at the very earliest. Leaving it there, thanks so much for joining us.